I'm Charles Friedman. I started the business in 2010, springing off some products that I had made with sailcloth that I had dumpster dove to make for families and friends, and people enjoyed the products that I was making. I thought it would be a great idea to create a brand based on that. Our products are based around everyday carry and personal organization products. So we started out with ultra lightweight, waterproof wallet and branched into tote bags, duffel bag. We're really conscious of using fabrics that have as little of an environmental impact as we can find. Several product lines are made with pre-consumer waste sailcloth from the sailmaking industry. For Maine, we love it here. It's just a great environment for field testing our products. We get some rough storms, snow and ice, and summertime is classic beach days. Looking into the future, we're super excited to continue listening to our customers and coming up with products that they're seeking out that we don't currently make, and continue providing a place to work for people in our community doing a really meaningful, exciting job.